Welcome! Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for all content creators out there. How to enable high-quality video uploads on Instagram. If you want your videos to shine and look their best, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open the Instagram app. This is where all the magic happens, so make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, take a good look at the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you to your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, look to the top right corner for the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Give that a tap to open up the menu options. From here, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Click on that and you'll be taken to a new screen with various settings. Now, we're getting closer. Scroll down a bit more until you find the section labeled Your App and Media. Under that section, tap on Media. This is where you can manage how Instagram handles your media files, including videos. Next, you'll want to look for the option labeled Data Usage and Media Quality. Once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. This is a key step, as it allows you to adjust how your content is uploaded. Finally, you'll see the option to turn on Upload at highest quality. Make sure to toggle this option on. This ensures that every video you upload is in the best quality possible, making your content pop in those feeds. And there you have it. With these simple steps, your videos will now upload in high quality, leaving your followers impressed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your Instagram experience. Happy posting!